Sorry about the cutout again. We're going. Going. This is the best old truck. Sure, it's a pain in the ass to start. But once she starts, you keep on going. I'm not letting this thing die. Even though I'm supposed to put it in neutral when I stop. Because it's hard on the brake. Yeah, these all brake lines. Pedal went down. Pedals went down. Cool. Cool, huh? We are moving. Yeah. What truck is that? Holy crap, that's my grandpa's old truck. A Volvo was my grandpa's. He passed away, so he gave it to his friend. And he let her stay out at his house because he didn't really need it because he was deceased. And I feel sorry. He had to have his heart fixed. Something on his heart, I can't remember. And all of a sudden, here comes cancer. Cancer kills. Badly. And quickly. So, yeah. I might show you that truck again. Bye.